Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can recover data on Windows 11. So for that you have to download and install a software called EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. You can find this software by searching on Google and downloading it from easeus.com, and you have to free download. For free software you can recover up to 2 GB of data, or you can do this more by buying their subscription or software. So once you have downloaded and installed this software, you have to open it. So once it gets opened, you have to select the location where you want to retrieve data from. So you can select desktop or anything as you wish. You have to double click on it, and it will automatically start scanning. So it will continue its scanning, and even when this scanning file, you can access those data to see, but the problem is it won't show you the file easily. You have to click on this folder and search for your file. Different type of file you will be able to find. Also you can select other folder. You can go to return to home, and you can also select recycle bin. Then it will show you the data which are deleted from recycle bin, and you can simply select the data and click on recover. I'm choosing recycle bin because I'm choosing I'm going to show you all the data that has been deleted from recycle bin, and I am going to recover. For example, I deleted these images a few minutes back, but you can find data from way before. As you can see, there are so many data from past, and these are adding, and it will take some time to scan. So for example, I'm just going to select this image and click on recover, and I'm going to show select the folder where I am to paste it. So as it is a location data of recycle bin, so if I save it on recycle bin, then it will recover perfectly. So if you are recovering a data from recycle bin, make sure to save it elsewhere. So when I selected another drive, it saved the data perfectly, recovered the data perfectly, as you can see. So that's how you can basically recover data in your Windows 11 or other Windows PC. So if you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.